Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, Hudson Technologies Inc. SIPDAY NE just filed an 8K reporting a significant storm event, and I am seeing one overlooked consequence that matters. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. A key facility for Hudson Technologies was badly damaged by storms, and while that is the main headline, the real impact could be on their ability to keep up with demand. Alright, let us dive into the news from Hudson Technologies Incorporated. This is a filing they put out on the 11th of June 2026, which is essentially a notice about something important happening really fast. Hudson Technologies is a company that deals with refrigerants, and it seems like they have had a rough time with some severe weather. The big event happened on the 11th of June 2026. So what happened during the evening hours of the 11th of June 2026? A really bad storm with tornadoes hit their main refrigerant reclamation facility in Champaign, Illinois. They are calling it the Mattis facility. This storm really did a number on it. They are saying there was extensive roof, structural and water damage. Thankfully, no one seems to have been hurt, and this did not affect their other two facilities nearby. Now, this is where it gets interesting from a business perspective, because the Mattis facility is damaged. They have to figure out how to keep things running. They are saying they will try to move operations to their other facilities, like the one in Smyrna, Georgia, and other locations. This is a scramble. They need to assess all the damage to their buildings, their equipment, and what they have in stock, and figure out how this mess might mess up their day-to-day business. You know, Hudson Tech is a player in specialty chemicals, and their stock has been trading around $5.78 recently, which is not huge, but they are a real company with a market cap of about $235 million. They have around 281 employees. Their stock is traded on the Nasdaq Capital Market under the ticker symbol HDSN. This kind of event, a major facility getting hit by a disaster, can really put a wrench in the works. When a key operational hub like this gets damaged, the company has to do a lot of quick thinking. They need to file insurance claims, which can take time. They also have to figure out how to reroute production. If demand for their products is high, and they cannot meet it because of this damage, that is lost revenue. It is also going to cost a lot of money to repair or rebuild the damaged facility. This could impact their earnings for quite a while. Think about it this way: if you rely on one major store to buy your favorite product, and that store gets wrecked, you have to go somewhere else. If that somewhere else cannot supply you, or it costs more to get it, well, that is a problem. For a company like Hudson Technologies, if they cannot reclaim and process refrigerants as efficiently as they used to from that facility, it could really slow them down. This is an unexpected event, and while the company is trying to manage it by moving operations, the full impact will likely unfold over the coming months as they assess the total cost and the timeline for getting the Mattis facility back online. What I am seeing here is not just a weather event, but a potential operational bottleneck that could affect their financials and their ability to serve customers. The risk I am watching is how quickly they can normalize operations, and if this disruption will cause them to miss out on market opportunities. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Check the Discord in the description too.